Have you ever reached for your phone, ready to send some cash with Zelle, only to be met with a dreaded message, account locked? Frustration sets in. You need to send rent money, split a bill with a friend, or maybe even get a jumpstart on a last-minute birthday gift. But your Zelle account is on lockdown. Don't panic. This isn't an uncommon situation, and there are ways to get your account unlocked and get that money moving again. So, why exactly does Zelle lock accounts? There are a few reasons. Security is their top priority, and any suspicious activity can trigger a lock to protect your hard-earned cash. This could be anything from multiple failed login attempts, we've all been there, to activity that seems out of the ordinary for your account, like sending a large sum of money to someone you've never interacted with before. Now, before we dive into unlocking your account, let's be clear, Zelle doesn't have its own dedicated customer service line or email address. That's because Zelle acts as a P2P, peer-to-peer, payment network, working through your bank or credit union's existing online banking platform or mobile app. So, depending on where you use Zelle, the unlocking process might differ slightly. But fret not, the general steps are quite similar across most institutions. Alright, with that context in mind, let's get down to business. Here's what you can do to unlock your Zelle account. 1. Check the error message. First things first, take a closer look at that error message. It might offer some clues as to why your account is locked. Did you enter the wrong password too many times? Did you try to send money to a suspicious recipient? The error message might point you in the right direction for resolving the issue. 2. Verify your identity. Many financial institutions will ask you to verify your identity if your account is locked. This usually involves answering some security questions you set up when you first enrolled in Zelle, or providing additional information like the last 4 digits of your social security number. 3. Contact your bank or credit union. Since Zelle operates through your bank or credit union's platform, they're the ones with the key to unlocking your account. Here's where things might differ slightly depending on your institution. Some banks might have an Unlock Zelle account option within their mobile app or online banking portal. Otherwise, you'll likely need to reach out to their customer service department directly. 4. Be prepared to answer questions. When you contact your bank or credit union, be prepared to answer some questions about your recent activity and the reason for the lock. This helps them verify your identity and understand the situation better. 5. Avoid further lockouts. While you wait for your account to be unlocked, there are a few things you can do to avoid future lockouts. Make sure you're using a strong and unique password for your Zelle login, and avoid entering it incorrectly multiple times. Be cautious when sending money to someone you don't know well, and always double-check the recipient's information before hitting send. Bonus tip: consider using Zelle with caution. While Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money quickly, it's important to remember that it's not always the safest option, especially when dealing with people you don't know or trust. There's no way to reverse a Zelle transaction once it's been sent, so it's crucial to be confident in the recipient before hitting that send button. Remember, Zelle is best used for sending money to trusted friends, family, or splitting bills with roommates. It's not ideal for online marketplaces or situations where you're unsure of the recipient's legitimacy. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you should be able to get your Zelle account unlocked and get back to sending and receiving money with ease. But remember, prevention is always better than cure. So, practice safe Zelle habits and avoid any unnecessary lockouts in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy sending.